Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make yogurt cereal. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need your favorite yogurt, a crunchy cereal, and any toppings you desire, like fresh fruit or nuts. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Pick a bowl that's just right for your portion and grab a spoon. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious breakfast. Now, let's start building our yogurt cereal masterpiece. Begin by spooning a generous amount of your chosen yogurt into the bowl. You can use plain yogurt for a classic taste or a flavored variety for extra sweetness. Gently spread the yogurt to create an even layer at the bottom. This forms the creamy foundation for your delicious breakfast, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: staying hydrated is key, and the Owala water bottle is fantastic for that. It's perfect for keeping your drinks cold while you enjoy your yogurt cereal. You can find the link for it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Next, it's time for the crunch. Carefully add your preferred cereal over the yogurt layer. Make sure to distribute it evenly so you get that satisfying texture in every spoonful. Then, get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of granola, or even a drizzle of honey can elevate your yogurt cereal. These additions bring extra flavor and nutrients. Once all your components are in the bowl, give them a gentle stir. You want to combine the yogurt, cereal, and toppings just enough to create a harmonious blend of flavors and textures. Serve your yogurt cereal immediately to ensure the cereal remains delightfully crisp. Feel free to adjust the amounts of each ingredient to perfectly match your personal preferences. Enjoy your custom-made breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.